Hello, today we're going to be making this mango milkshake because mangoes are in season. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need. It is pretty simple to make this. All you have to do is add your ingredients to a blender. Blend this for about 1 minute. Your sugar should dissolve properly. And you should have a nice and thick milkshake. You can use low-fat milk if you want, but that will give you a thinner consistency. And then you can pour it in a glass and enjoy your milkshake. And if you want, you can chill it in the refrigerator so that it is nice and cold. I have my board exams coming up right now, so I haven't uploaded a really long video. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe and I'll see you soon. Bye!